What is up, everyone? Another video, this time on my baby, my 2007 E60 M5, along with my other baby up there, just fitting in, Gixxer 600 K1, and I've got a few bits to do to this one today. I've got a condenser to fit, aircon condenser, because I've had it gassed and it's now warm again. So I reckon it's a condenser. I don't think it'd be anything else. So I'm gonna set it up on the stand and get to it. So let's get started. I've not done one of these before. I did watch a quick recap. Mr. Shredding, M5 39 restorations, absolute legend. Love what he does. And he done this on his E60 M5. So it looks like you can do it from the top. Got loads of bolts to undo first. All the bolts undone, I think. Possibly. I'd like you to come out of the way, please. Oh, that's broken, so that's good now. Oh. Why are you cable tied up there? I don't think you're supposed to be. Cable ties out of the factory. Right, so that's that off. Out of the way. That's cable tied on. I don't know if it's supposed to be. It doesn't look very factory, but it's off. Next step, I think, is this cover off, which hopefully will reveal the condenser. Hopefully. And that's hopefully all that holds that in. I don't feel like dropping any coolant or anything out, and I ain't taking the bumper off. Not now. Otherwise, going back together. What size have we got here? Also, I'm sure you can hear all the digging and banging in the background. Loads of building work going on over the other side of the road, so apologies. That didn't sound very good. No. Still in there. Before I dropped it. Oh. It's filthy. Right. Hey, look at that. we just sort it out? I reckon that just slides out, you know. Ooh, that's the cap for that. Dryer. 25th of 6, 2007. I'm going to say that's original. Right, so I managed to get to the point where this is up. Check, there's no pressure in there. And I'm hoping this is leaking. But, and also on Stretton's video, he had a mare getting these fittings off. And I think I'm going to be in the same boat here, so I might just skip forward. These might not come off, to be fair. And just like magic, it's out. They were evil to get out, and I'm not proud of the way I've done it, but it's out. Oh yeah, that's definitely knackered, eh? That's definitely seen better days, that. Look at that. Let's hope that's the issue. Now, if only I had a Hoover, because that's bad. Oh. There's dog ends and everything. What's that about? Oh man. Well, it's going to have to go in as it is, which sucks. Oh well, that's really bad down there. I'm going to have to get a Hoover. That's that Hoover out. That was bad in there. I'm glad I done that. I was going to leave it, but I'm glad I didn't. Let's get a new one in. Let's hope it fits. Now, I probably should have got new O-rings for these, but I didn't bother. Well, I forgot, to be honest, so we're going to roll with it. If it leaks, at least I know future. Oh, that pin's come out with that one. Oh no, that's going to suck. That's going to suck to get in as well, that. I can tell that now. Oh, I don't really want to hit that. But I might have to tap that in. I really don't want to do that. That sucks. Oh well. Okay, I'll give up. That one won't come out of there. I'm not bothering. I'm gonna have to roll with it. Probably not the best idea. Don't do what I do. Goes in a lot easier though, to be fair. Hello. You alright? Yeah, you? Yeah, not bad. Right, they're in. Again, not proud of it. One of the pins is still stuck in the old one, which I'm going to have to take to work, stick it in the vise and try and get it out, and then I'll knock it back in. Should be fairly easy to go in, but that wasn't fun. So we're getting there. That's not supposed to be poking up. Bugger. That pin is supposed to be in. Don't judge, I'm only using tools that I've got with me. All my others are at work. This is now a punch. Start something. Wonder why you bothered. Kind of got that way now. I love this car, but I'm a mechanic by trade, and this is like a busman's holiday. I thought that was broken then. Right. I think. Well, there. Let's tweak that a bit so it's not probably leak anyway. Slide back in. Doesn't seem like you want to. So that's certainly, because that needs to go over. Surely that won't do up with that in the way. Finally, it's in. It's touching now, I don't like that, but it's in. Wasn't the best to fit, but I'm over it now. So now, this little cover and then I'll take it to work one day and regas it, and we'll see what happens. No, nothing here wants to line up. It's going well. I'm not gonna lie. This has gone very well. Just love working on cars, eh? Love it. Tell you what, that is gonna go. Man don't care. Going to go.
Daryl, if you don't want to, I understand.
That's that back on. Sorry about that. She scared the life out of me. Right. Ain't got the toll chat now. Things getting serious. I even lined it up with the paint. Professional. And I don't think. I ain't got no cable ties, so they ain't getting cable tied up right now. Sweet. Right. Top cover, last bit, and then. So I don't know when I'll get gassed. Hopefully sometime soon. I might do a video on it. Might not. It might not work. Right. Plug you back in there, please. Now I've lost my clip. You can just pretend to sit there all nicely. So I've got some more bits left. I've got a door sill to fit, which is obviously nothing, because the driver's door sill's all ripped, and I've got the leg supports on the seats to do because they're not working. I've got the metal replacements for that. But they ain't getting done now. They can wait till next time. All good? Right. Now we're good. Feel good? Does it feel good? It'll be alright. It'll be alright. That's it now. Put these bolts in, do them up. And I can't test it, so that would be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you got this far, I know it's not up to anyone's standards in YouTube, well, but I thought I'd document it. I'm doing the job anyway, so I thought I'd just film it. But if you did like, give us a like, maybe subscribe. I don't know, I'm not going to be a regular upload or anything. I'm just going to film stuff as and when I do it. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there, I think, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace.